This is a list of SUVs that could become serious financial burdens in 2025. Today, I'll warn you about 6 popular SUVs that look great on the lot but can drain your wallet fast. We're talking rapid depreciation, high maintenance, and repair bills that turn luxury dreams into nightmares. Before you sign for that shiny SUV, you need to hear this. Stick around for a crucial bonus tip that could save you thousands on any used car. First up, let's talk about the BMW X7, a vehicle that's as bold as it is luxurious. This is BMW's flagship SUV, a rolling statement of status and engineering prowess. The X7 is loaded with cutting-edge technology, plush materials, and a presence that turns heads wherever it goes. But all that opulence comes at a steep price, often well over $100,000 when new. And here's where things get tricky. The real danger with the X7 isn't just the initial cost, but how quickly it loses value. High-end German SUVs like the X7 are notorious for rapid depreciation. In just a few years, their value can plummet, sometimes faster than you'd expect. It's not uncommon to see these vehicles lose nearly half their value in just 3 or 4 years. That means a $100,000 X7 can often be found on the used market for a fraction of its original price, sometimes as low as $50,000 or even less. It might seem like a steal, but don't be fooled by the lower sticker. Even though you're paying less up front, the cost of ownership remains sky high. Maintenance and repairs are still priced as if the car just rolled off the showroom floor. Routine services like oil changes, brake jobs, and suspension work all come with premium price tags. These aren't your average maintenance bills, they're luxury-level expenses. And once the factory warranty expires, you're responsible for some seriously complex systems. The air suspension, the advanced iDrive infotainment, and those powerful turbocharged engines all can cost thousands to repair if something goes wrong. Just one major repair, like a failed air suspension or a turbo issue, can easily wipe out any savings you thought you gained by buying used. The repair bills can be shocking, and they add up fast. With a vehicle this complex, you're always gambling that nothing major will break. But the odds aren't in your favor, especially as the car ages and those high-tech systems start to wear out. The X7 is undeniably beautiful and offers a driving experience that's hard to match, but it demands a budget that matches its original sticker price even years down the road. That bargain X7 you found could quickly turn into a financial nightmare, leaving you stranded with unexpected bills and headaches. For most buyers, the risk and ongoing costs just aren't worth the initial savings. It's a classic case of buy cheap, pay dear when it comes to luxury SUVs like this. That's why despite its allure, the BMW X7 tops our list of wallet drainers for 2025. A masterclass in how depreciation and maintenance can turn a dream car into a costly lesson. Next, the Land Rover Range Rover, the king of luxury SUVs. It's stylish, luxurious, and iconic, but notorious for unreliability. Air suspension failures, endless electronic glitches, and engine issues are common. Repairs are never cheap and parts are outrageously expensive. Most independent shops won't touch them, so you're stuck with costly dealership visits. A simple sensor can turn into a 4-figure bill. By 2025, many used Range Rovers will be out of warranty and look like bargains. But buying one is a huge gamble. Breakdowns are a matter of when, not if. The Range Rover is engineered for luxury, not long-term durability. It's a status symbol that can quickly become a financial sinkhole. Now let's talk about the Mercedes-Benz GLE, a vehicle that, on the surface, seems to have it all. It's a fantastic SUV, comfortable, safe, and absolutely packed with cutting-edge technology. The interior feels like a luxury lounge, with plush seats, a panoramic sunroof, and the impressive MBUX infotainment system that makes every drive feel special. But the real danger with the GLE isn't a single catastrophic failure. Instead, it's the relentless, ever-mounting costs that sneak up on you over time, costs that can quietly drain your wallet, one service at a time. Insurance premiums for the GLE are sky high, and routine maintenance, those A and B services, add up shockingly fast, even if you're just following the recommended schedule. Even the most basic service can set you back several $100s, while major services can easily cross the $1,000 mark, especially as the vehicle ages. And it's not just the labor, parts are premium priced too. Need a new headlight, mirror, or even brake pads? Expect to pay far more than you would for a non-luxury brand, sometimes double or triple the cost. As these vehicles age out of warranty, the risks only grow. The GLE is packed with advanced systems like the EQ Boost mild hybrid, which, while innovative, are also complex and expensive to repair if something goes wrong. Repairs for these high-tech systems can quickly turn into multi-thousand-dollar headaches, especially if you're unlucky enough to have a major component fail. The GLE may not have the dramatic breakdowns of a Range Rover, but it will steadily and quietly drain your finances, month after month, year after year. Between the high insurance, expensive maintenance, and the ever-present risk of costly repairs, owning a GLE can feel like navigating a financial minefield. It's not a single blow, but a slow, steady drain, death by 1,000 cuts, as each expense chips away at your budget. So if you're considering buying a used GLE, think twice. The true cost of ownership might be far higher than you expect. Fourth is the Audi Q7, stylish, refined, and packed with tech. Its advanced electronics are great when new, but a nightmare as they age. The Q7 is a rolling network of computers and sensors. When one fails, it can trigger a cascade of expensive problems. Common issues include MMI infotainment failures and malfunctioning sensors, each costing thousands to fix. Diagnosing these problems often requires Audi-specific tools and expertise, driving up labor costs. Out of warranty, you're exposed to four-figure repair bills for the very features that made the Q7 appealing. That high-tech bargain can quickly become a high-tech trap. The electronics that wowed you at first may become your biggest headache. Buyer beware. Next up, we have the Cadillac Escalade, the undisputed king of American luxury SUVs, and a vehicle that truly lives up to its reputation for being big, bold, and expensive in every sense of the word. The Escalade is massive, with a commanding presence that turns heads wherever it goes. Its flashy chrome accents, plush leather seats, and high-end finishes make it the ultimate status symbol. Step inside, and you're greeted by a world of comfort and technology, with every feature designed to impress. But all that size and luxury come at a price. The Escalade's fuel economy is notoriously poor, and filling up its enormous tank is a weekly ritual that will leave your wallet noticeably lighter. If you drive a lot, be prepared for frequent stops at the pump and a steady drain on your budget. Maintenance and repairs are another story. Unlike its Chevy siblings, the Escalade demands premium prices for even routine service. Parts and labor costs are higher, and you'll need a specialist for many repairs. Signature features like the advanced magnetic ride control suspension and those intricate LED lights are impressive. But if they break, expect repair bills that match the Escalade's luxury status. The CUI infotainment system, while high-tech, is infamous for its glitches and can be expensive to fix or replace if it malfunctions. Even consumables like tires and brakes wear out quickly due to the Escalade's weight and power, and replacements are far from cheap. You'll be paying a premium for every oil change, brake job, and new set of tires. As more used Escalades hit the market, their lower prices might seem tempting, especially compared to new models. But don't be fooled by the initial savings. The daily running costs, combined with the potential for expensive mechanical failures, can quickly add up and become a financial burden, especially if you're not prepared for luxury-level expenses. The Escalade makes a bold statement, both on the road and on your bank account. It's a vehicle that demands attention, but also demands a lot from your finances. So, before you get swept away by the Escalade's bling and prestige, remember to look past the shine and consider the true cost of ownership. Don't let the luxury blind you to the bills that come with it. Finally, the Jeep Grand Cherokee, a mainstream SUV with luxury ambitions. It looks great and offers real off-road capability, but reliability is a major concern. Air suspension failures, transmission problems, and glitchy electronics are common and expensive to fix. Even basic repairs can run into the thousands despite the Jeep badge. The newer models are already showing early issues, especially with electronics. As warranties expire, owners face big repair bills on tech that's still new to Jeep. A used Grand Cherokee might seem like a deal, but it's a gamble on reliability. Sometimes mainstream can be just as risky as luxury. There you have it, 6 SUVs that could become financial black holes in 2025. The real cost isn't just the sticker price, it's maintenance, repairs, insurance, and fuel. Here's the most important tip: always get a pre-purchase inspection from a brand specialist. It might cost a few hundred, but it could save you thousands. Do your homework, budget for high costs, and never skip the inspection. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more real-world car advice. Thanks for watching. See you next time.